A new Doge is on the block, and the next breakout altcoin is about to be. We hope you guys have already guessed. Yep, it's Shiba Inu. The challenge for Dogecoin is being pushed forward by Shiba Inu. Stay tuned to know more about this coin. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome to the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. In today's video, we'll talk about whether Shiba Inu is a shitcoin or not. So let's start. Right now, Shiba Inu is on a tear. It's hitting up everywhere in the news in the wake of its enormous gain. Since August 2020, the Shiba Inu coin has been around, but we just thought about it late. The creators said on the decentralized Shiba Swap exchange, there will be 3 flagships, namely SHIB for the Shiba Inu coins, Leash for the Leash Dogecoin killer, and Bone for Bone. The cool cryptographic text is for a white paper you uncool people will never understand. They tell they have won the name Dogecoin killer, as the Dogecoin value can be exponentially outstripped without ever passing the 1 cent mark. The point is, the problem both for the Dogecoin holders and fans. The coin was expected to go through $1 after the arrival of Musk in the SNL, giving it a major boost. But instead it fell dramatically from 70 cents to 42 cents. It has been trying since then to boost. But on May 17, 2021, a total of Shiba tokens had been in circulation of 394.796 trillion, with a market cap of $6.52 billion. The supply cap for the currency is 1 quadrillion, which means that just under 1/2 of the currency is actually in circulation. SHIB is already used in some exchanges like Binance. Shiba Swap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange of Shiba Inu, enabling buyers to trade between Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency coins. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin owns $15 billion of Shiba Inu coins, a decision made by the founders to avoid major investment by other investors, which would have resulted in volatility. But recently, he burned 90% of his Shiba Inu coins and declared that he would donate the other 10%. Following the announcement by Buterin, more than 40% of the overall coin circulation, with more than $7 billion worth of tokens, has been removed from the market, according to Business Insider. The only choice the ETH co-founder said was to burn and donate the coins. Last week, the Indian COVID-19 Relief Fund, set up by Polygon founder Mr. Sandeep Nailwal, was provided with 50 trillion SHIB tokens, approximately $1.2 billion. These significant contributions worth millions of dollars include gifts to the Methuselah Foundation, a non-profit charitable evaluator, GiveWell, which is focused on extending human life. Furthermore, the Machine Intelligence Research Institute made donations to improve technologies for secure artificial intelligence, AI. Post this, the SHIB price penetrated the lower limit of the demand zone from $0.0000117 to $0.0000168, turning bearish. The fast recovery, however, showed otherwise. Regardless of that, Shiba Inu continues to build within the support mentioned above. While it's bullish to go past $0.0000168, confirmation will come as soon as the SHIB's price breaks down at $0.0000214 in the 54-hour simple moving average (SMA). Because of the above recovery, buyers spin up the cryptocurrency on the topic for deployment. Investors should expect a fast rally to the supply base from $0.0000286 up to $0.0000318 if buyers successfully shatter the 54-hour SMA. SHIB will increase its price to its all-time peak at $0.0000393, further increasing bullish pressures. On the other hand, a breakdown of the SMA of $0.0000127 of 104-hour means a decrease in the purchase pressure. In such a scenario, SHIB prices could be expected to divide by $0.0000172, which is the base of the above-described demand barrier. This move would nullify the bullish perspective and set a 10% reduction of $0.0000105 to the last low swing. As Shiba Inu strives to record optimistic price shifts, the crypto coin appears to be facing a large resistance after the recent market crash on 12 May. In the past, these resistance regions had been the major cryptocurrency support regions. After its bad showing on its 48-hour diagram, Shiba Inu is trying to make a comeback. The crypto mint currently trades at about $0.0000945, 7% lower than its lowest price of 20th May 2021. Shiba Inu has a market value of about $3.7 billion. The fellow dog meme token of Shiba, Dogecoin, had reported a price decrease of 13% over the past 48 hours. It is necessary to understand the crypto asset for us to evaluate Shiba Inu's price movements. From nowhere, Shiba Inu came into the crypto ecosystem as a common name. Strong acquisition pressures, in particular in China, supported this development. When Shiba Inu began tracking good price movements, numerous investors bought a lot of tokens in the hope of earning fast money. Unfortunately, over 70% of its ATH has plunged the crypto coin. This price drop was linked to the decision of China to ban crypto trading in China. This is not the end of Shiba Inu, despite the continuing bearish leg. As better days lie ahead, investors should retain their ownership. Some believe, even with the burn of the SHIB coin, the crypto price will rise over time. The current price of Shiba Inu has decreased to $0.0000835. This is the lowest in months. However, people still predict that Shiba Inu will soon reach $1. It is expected that prices will increase to twice the current level at the end of 2021 to $0.0002023. The Shiba token's price will continue to rise until 2022, following the upsurge in 2021. It could hit $0.0002230 by the end of 2022. While estimates for cryptocurrency might be hard to make, many crypto monetary professionals themselves forecast the price for the SHIB, and different analysts have a different opinion. By the end of 2025, the wallet investor analyzers expect the average price of this cryptocurrency at about $0.00046. But digital coin price experts agree that it's around $0.00035 per token by the end of 2025. Doge fans waited for the $1 price mark, while the SHIBcoin party wanted a 1-cent price for the altcoin. To reach the 1-cent target price, Shiba must earn 60,000% of the current price. The coin was about 1,000% in the last month. This monthly momentum would take 4 to 5 years to get there. The 1-cent milestone could come to Shiba around 2026 or 2027. Shiba coin is identical to another cryptocurrency coin, including a decentralized and blockchain-based cryptocurrency, but it aims to vary differently. Under the pseudonym Ryoshi, the publisher notes in Shiba Inu's white paper that the disparity between Shiba and others is community-driven. It is designed to be a cryptocurrency project without a stated owner, organizational structure, or the future of a CEO. It looks similar in this regard to Bitcoin. Shiba is based on the standard ERC20 token, which is common with ICOs and crowdfunding companies, and can afford to own thousands of Shiba tokens at a reasonable cost. Shiba Inu initially started at $0.0000001, with a supply cap of 1 quadrillion tokens in circulation, in comparison with the Dogecoin rival, released at $0.002 and currently contains 360,000 group users. The Incubator Artist Network in Shiba invites artists to create NFTs that are future products of Shiba. Begun as a meme, Dogecoin is now one of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin is confronted with obstacles by a puppy-themed rival Shiba Inu, who's still in its infancy and is hard for Dogecoin lovers to accept. Even if Shiba Inu had been called the Dogecoin killer, some observers are unwilling to believe that SHIB would soon dethrone Doge. It is no surprise that certain specialists hesitate totally to dismiss Shiba Inu's hype. As for its creator, Ryoshi, the SHIB technology, which uses the Shiba Inu Japanese dog as its mascot, is more community-driven than Dogecoin. Ryoshi believes that the Shiba Inu ecosystem includes the Shiba Inu Army's decentralized creator, the ShibSwap exchange, and hundreds of coin owners. Dogecoin has become very important, with Elon Musk in his tweets and discussions at various prominent forums repeatedly mentioning the cryptocurrency. It was ranked 5th on the cryptocurrency market list, according to the latest daily figures. On the other hand, just recently, Shiba Inu gained attention and a group of investors went berserk about it because of the buzz generated around this meme currency. Although its value is nowhere close to Dogecoin, its value and popularity have gained significantly. Many experts on cryptocurrency call Shiba Inu a giant killer, but others deny the loss of time and resources. In terms of current trends, Shiba Inu ranks 27th in terms of overall market capitalization. The ongoing battle between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu seems to be at the crescendo, and the reactions of the two coins are extremely high. The struggle between the two has been raging for quite some time, and in the coming time it will only intensify. The analysts believe that the future of the Shiba Inu coin is uncertain. Investors are also advised not to invest a lump sum unless the coin can firmly rely on as their counterpart Dogecoin has in the cryptocurrency industry. Even though some call it to be a shitcoin, the token seems to be very bullish shortly. With this, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a financial piece of advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own research. Let us know in the comment section your opinions on this. Will you guys buy Shiba Inu or not? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to avoid missing any further information. Catch you in the next video.